You can't arrest me for being delicious. You're under arrest for excessive calories. You have the right to remain cheesy.
Today, we're going to create a very amazing video. As you can see, videos like these are trending a lot on social media nowadays. On platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, these types of videos are going very viral. You can also see that these videos are getting hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. The good news is that you can also create videos like these very easily in just 2 minutes. As you can see, you can make similar videos in a very simple way within just 2 minutes. And the best part is that it is 100% free. The audio, video, and everything else will be completely free. So please, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I will also share a trick with you that shows how we can create AI videos using just one simple trick. Here I will show you how we can create AI videos. For this, the first thing I will do is open grok.com, and then I will click on Imagine. This is a very amazing website for creating AI videos. I will show you a very easy method where you can use just one prompt and create unlimited videos easily. First, I will give you a prompt. As you can see, this is the prompt. I will simply copy this prompt. After copying it, I will paste it here. Then you can choose the size according to your needs. If you want to make a YouTube video, select 16:9, and if you want to create reels or shorts, select 9:16. After that, I will click on Generate. When I click, the video will start generating after a few moments. It may take a little time. Please make sure to like the video if you enjoy it. As you can see, the result is now ready, and it looks really amazing. Now what we can do is use the same prompt to create unlimited videos. I will copy the same prompt again, go to ChatGPT and write this. Here I will write something like, please remove pizza in this and add burgers. I will write this simple text. After that, a new prompt will be generated. I will copy it and paste it again. After a short time, you can see the new video has been created, and the result looks great. If I want to make more changes, I will again copy the same prompt and paste it. Now I will write, please remove burger in this and add alcohol bottle. After writing this, a new prompt will be generated again. I will simply copy it and paste it, and after a short time, the video will start generating. Please like the video and leave a comment if you are enjoying it. As you can see, by using a single prompt, you can create unlimited videos easily. The video is ready again, and you can see it includes audio, video, and music. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment. I will bring more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching.